Hi team and hi family. Thank you for choosing me. This is Bhaskar and people calls me Bhavin. Today topic we are going to discuss about time management in family, in nuclear family, especially in nuclear family. What was that? Like, who was living a wife and husband with kids, how to manage their time. See, in this world, in this human history, there are very small percentage of the people who was fight for their success. Very small. This is very small percentage. In the small percentage also, everyone won't reach to the success. Everyone won't taste their success. Why? There are so many reasons and there are so many rules, policies that we won't maintain. In the sense, we do have we do have to success, but we don't have a plan. Everyone won't have a plan because our education system is failed. Our education system will taught you to do something in their a particular domain, in the sense if you do the BCom, only they will teach you the accounts. If you do the BSc, Bachelor of Computer Science or whatever, they will teach you the computer program only. It's only stick with a little knowledge sharing, but they won't share you the life and how to survive and how to fight with the life and how to success in the life. We don't have that kind of education. And so many rulers ruled our countries, our world, and they corrupted our education system, and they corrupted our families and family policies, and they bought so many things because we should not success. You got my point? I think so. If you dig it deep, you will get it. This is the video is not kind of to create something mess, but you need to understand, because everyone will do the MBA or medication or medical practice or a lawyer or doctor or engineer or something. Why they are not able to success in their profession? Because they didn't taught you how to manage your time. So that was the reason you are the failure. You are still struggling. So what I mean to say is, whatever we have a time in 24 hours, the 24 hours time, so if you calculate 24 hours, okay, we just calculate an year, every our system is designed for on a year to year. We will calculate our growth, like what was the growth in this year. So whenever you are calculating as an yearly growth, so Yearly in the sense like, you know how many years you are going to work? Very simple. 50s, might be 60s, no, in this generation, right? 50s, you need to sign off, and you don't know we are going to live in this earth or not also. So 50 years in the sense you struggle time will start after finishing the education 25 years, and struggle time will be in 5 years, and 30 might be if you are getting into the good job, that is great and awesome. If you are not getting in a job before 30, then again it's again start struggles. So 30 to 50, 20 years working experience in working time. Within this time, so how much you can do and what you can success within a 20 years. In 20 years generally we took so many offs, these, that, blah blah blah, and in 20 years generally you can say that, I'll come to the point. So 20 years of working time, so per day how many hours you are going to work? Generally 8 hours with all the breaks. Again in 8 hours you have 2 hours break, 6 hours. So weekly how many days you are going to work? 5 days a week, common, right, as of now. So 5 days into 6 hours, how many hours you are working? 30 hours per week, per month, into 4, 120 hours. So year, somewhat 1000, 1200, might be 1400 hours you are working. So in an average, in you know, in a year 1400 hours working, and 1400 hours working in the sense it's nearly 4500 to 5000 hours, might be, I am not a genius in maths. So you're losing in a 4% is 1% only productive, and the other 3% is you're making mess the time. So what I mean to say is, in 20 years of the span, your working time is only 5 years. So in human life you need to understand you are working only for 5 years. In this 5 years time only you need to success. Is that possible, my dear family? Within a 5 years you will get a success? Is this possible? Spending in a 5 years in your life you will get a success? No, right? No. If you want to success, the time management is very, very important. If you are not able to manage your time, you are not able to success. And the end of the day, the last breath, you need to smile and you need to leave this earth, not with tears, not with the failure, my family. Because our system was broken. Our system was broken because there are millions of the people, engineers, doctors, lawyers, whatever the profession demand is. People are coming out with the graduation, but they won't have any jobs. Jobs in the sense, it won't created by the companies or something, created by the people only. So why it is not able to create, in the sense whatever the olden generation, they didn't manage their time properly. That was the reason they are not able to success. That was the reason they are not able to success. That was the reason we don't have a market today. So if we are doing the same mistake in this generation, the next generation, there is no life. So we need to manage our time. Whatever the time is, you have to wake up at 5 o'clock, and from the 5 o'clock you need to schedule your timings until 10 o'clock before you are going to the bed. So sharp 10 you will go to the bed. So 5 to 10, how many hours you got it? I am poor at calculation. So nearly you will get it somewhat on a 5 plus 12. How much? 7 hours. And this 10, 17 hours time you will get it. In this 17 hours time, the morning you need to wake up at 5 o'clock and you need to finish your meditation or exercises, whatever it is, before 6, and 6 o'clock you need to go with your work, whatever the work you need to do it on that day, whatever the important stuff you need to do it, and 8 o'clock you need to help your family to preparing your breakfasts and all. You need to help your wife or your husband together, you need to prepare the stuff, and 9 o'clock you need to go to your business or your office. Sharp 9 you should be there. Of course your office is at 12 o'clock, 10 o'clock, but you should be at 9 o'clock and you need to start working. I'll tell you the secret why 9 is. And 9 to 1 is your working time, and 2 to again 1 to 2 is your break, and 2 to 5 is your working. Got it? If you are working, if you are not in the business, I'll give you a small solution now. So again 5 to 6 your break or your transportation or something, and 6 to 9 you have a time. 7, 8, 9, 3 hours. Morning 6, 7, 8, 3 hours. Morning 3 hours, evening 3 hours. And in middle, whatever your 9 to 5 job. You got it? So here you got an idea. You can split your time for 3 jobs. How it is possible? Morning you have a 3 hours and evening you have a 3 hours. Got it? So you can do the 3 jobs. One is permanent job and 2 is part-time jobs. Whatever your skills you have, according to your skills, you find a part-time jobs which you can work from home, or else there are so many freelancer sites are there in this generation. We got a lot of technology, so you can go get into that freelancer sites and you can find a jobs and you can allocate that time for your part-time jobs and you can earn more. So you can manage your time. Managing with that time, you can grow more and more and more faster. So now what happened here? Whatever your life, the whole life working hours are only 5 years. Now you made a productivity and now you make it 10 to 12 years. So by the end of the 50, you will be a millionaire. Saving this, whatever your part-time earnings, your regular job, with a regular job, you can maintain your family, you can save for something for your kids, and you can manage your kids' marriages, educations, blah, 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 blah. And if your spouse also working, it's an add-on bonus, and you can do the so many things. And with this money, whatever you're generating, you and your spouse is generating the money. With that, you can do so many things. You no need to struggle in rented a flat or building or bungalow or whatever. You can buy your house. You no need to spend. People are in this world, like after 50s also they are struggling to buy their own house. But if you plan like this, you can buy your house at 40s only. So you are settled, right? So this way you plan your life, and you can reach more faster. You can 10x or 20x your life. So no one will be a millionaire by birth, but some people will be millionaires. They are going to reach. How they are going to reach? Because of time management, my dear family. So maintain your precious time, whatever we have. In this COVID situation, we all are struggling. Okay, yeah, if we need to go to the hospital, in the sense we need 1 million, if it is in Indian rupees, 10 lakh rupees. If it is in US, it's more than that. We don't have a money. Why? Because whatever the earlier time we are not able to manage, that was the reason now we don't have a money. If we are able to manage at that time, it's nothing today. Our families are safe now, right? So you need to understand this logic. And if you are really interested or to know what to do and how to do, Bhavin told that very easily I can manage my time and I can create more revenue and all. But this fellow left off in middle, in the sense I'm not leaving you in middle, and I'm not telling you whatever. I have a cam and I have a computer, whatever, I just speaking. It's not like that. I'm not going to leave you on middle. Okay, if you are really strict and if you are ready, and just ping me, and then definitely I'm going to help you out to give you a more training, and I can make you more productive. Okay, thank you, and I'll catch you on next video, which will be going to help you out in your life. And these all will come with my personal experience. You got it, team? I'm sharing you everything with my personal experience. And share, subscribe, and like. And if you don't like also, you can comment me. I can change, I can give you a more better content to you guys. And I can, not content here, I can train you a more and more in better ways. It's not a kind of content kind of channel this is. I just started. It is a completely training oriented. I want to serve my nation. I want to serve this world. I want to share my knowledge, what I have 30 years of my knowledge. I'm here to share my knowledge. Okay, so please subscribe, share, and like, and comment whatever you feel from your bottom of your heart. And thank you. I'll catch you very soon, and I love you.